Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specification of Samsung smartphone Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. So at the beginning I want to say subscribe to my channel to know the updated specification of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, CDMA, HSPA, eVideo, LTE and 5G. The phone has memory space of 256GB with 8GB of RAM. The phone is coming in two colors and the two colors are Mystic Grey and Mystic Bronze. The USB has micro USB 3.1 which is Type C, 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Display has Foldable Dynamic AMOLED capacitive touch screen, 16 million color. Display size is 6.7 inches and 82.5% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is unfold 167.3 into 73.6 into 7.2 mm. Folded 87.4 into 73.6 into 70.3 mm. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 85865 Plus, which is used in Samsung high-range set, and the CPU is getting octa-core 1 into 3.09 GHz Cairo 858 and 3 into 2.40 GHz Cairo 858 and 4 into 1.8 GHz Cairo 8585. Fingerprint side mounted sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximetry, compass, barometer and battery. The battery lithium polymer 3300 mAh, non-removable and fast charging 15 watt. This phone has nano SIM, eSIM. There is a loudspeaker for sound but no 3.5mm jack for audio output. You get the main camera dual 12 megapixel flash 1.8 27mm wide and second one 12 megapixel flash 2.2 ultra wide. Video type facility at a maximum of 4K 30 frames per second, and get a selfie camera single 10 megapixel with flash 2.4. So friends, this was the official specification of today's Galaxy Z Flip 5G model. Those who like the folding set and want a good phone from Samsung can take it without any hesitation. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye. Okay.